Hey guys, it's Jill. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, welcome. So today's video is going to be this super beginner friendly half cut crease. These are my favorite eye looks to do because they look so intricate, but I have so many different tips and other ways in which you can do a cut crease that is so incredibly simple that if you know how to blend, you know how to do a cut crease, okay? So that is what this video is going to be about. I have a really fun, super cool trick that's going to make your cut crease super seamless, super easy, and also super quick. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right on into it. Okay, so this is a super simple half cut crease that anybody can do. If you can blend, you can do this, I promise you. So I'm going to use these two palettes right here, but you can take this tutorial and adjust it to your liking and your specific colors that you would like. You can do purple, burgundy, green, blue, pink, whatever. The colors aren't like super important here. It's more so the technique. So you can get this technique down. You can literally do it with any color. Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take a mid-tone brown right here out of this Queen palette. It's the Ultimate Queen. I will link all of these products down below, but it's this one right here. I'm going in with a Sigma E40. I will link this down below as well, and I'm just going to town in that color. And what I'm going to do, since I already have my face makeup, I'm like, should I don't want to look super powdery tonight or today, but I feel like I can kind of get a little messy. So I'm gonna put loose powder up underneath my eyes just in case we have any fallout, it'll catch it. Okay, now you're just going to go in with that color and you're just going to go to town. I'm going to go into my crease and I'm going to make sure to bring it into the inner corner too and just go back and forth, and I'm blending as I'm placing the colors. Some people like to place the color, like pat the color down, and then it's all going to do pretty much the same thing. I personally like to place and then go back and forth. So I do little circles right here, little circles, and then I will just go back and do windshield wiper motions, and then I'll just kind of go between doing those two steps. So again, you can totally put this on your eyelid. Make sure you put that in the outer corner because we definitely want that color there. And we're just going to do the same thing, little circles until we reach the end of my eye, and then I'll just go back and forth in windshield wiper motion. So I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with this Real Techniques brush. I love this for outer corner work. And I'm going to go in with this color right here. So I'm going to make it a little darker and deeper, but this is going to stay super close to the crease. It's not going to go as high as this other color did. So first I'm going to put it on the outer. Well, we don't need to put it on the inner because we're going to cover that up. So outer, and then just kind of take that color and put that into the crease. Kind of drag it. There's no extra color that I put on this brush. I'm just dragging it. But I really want it on the outer corner. That's where I'm really focusing it at is the outer corner. And you can just kind of take it, close your eyes, look down in your mirror, and just swipe to the left. And then you can kind of swipe to the right. And then if you like your eyeshadow to be winged out, I don't think it looks good on my eye shape, but if you do, then obviously that's when you would kind of go like this. But I like to have it go in this way, so that's why I blend that way. But if you like the wing, kind of like take it and go out that way. So now is the fun part. I absolutely love the Tarte Shape Tape, but I only love it for a cut crease. This is such an amazing concealer for doing a cut crease. So what I'm going to do is take the concealer, I'm going to put some on the back of my hand, like so, and I'm going to get a eyelash curler. I'm going to work on the left side first, so this is very important. If you are going to do a full cut crease, then you're going to want to paint the whole entire eyelash curler part. But since I'm just gonna do half, I'm literally gonna just put it on halfway. It's actually 3/4 of the way. Can you see that? I don't know if you can see it, but it stops right here. So all of this is clean, and then all of this back over here has the concealer on there. Okay, so now all you're gonna do is take the eyelash curler, like you're gonna curl your lashes, but keep it closed. And you're gonna, I like to look down in a mirror, place the eyelash curler at the base of my lashes, and then just come up and stamp. And I definitely took it a little further than I wanted to, which is fine. But that's basically essentially what you're going to do. I'm just going to cover this up real quick because I do not want that to have concealer on it. Okay, so here is our shape. Now from here, I'm just going to take a pointed concealer brush. This is the F70. I absolutely love this, and we're going to go on the back of our hand, take that concealer, just take it on the point of that brush. And when you're on your eyelid, you can just kind of go crazy and just boom, 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 boom. But it's when you get to this line that you want to be a little more cautious. So you do have to kind of take your time with a little bit of precision. But basically the eyelash curler is giving you that guide so that you're not having to freehand that. And it just makes it so much easier. It just makes it so much easier. So I'm just gonna take this and kind of make sure that it's even. I kind of like to flick this a little bit. And then right there is your cut crease. Now what you're gonna do is take any color that you want. You can do a matte if you want. I personally like to go in with a lighter color. So this is the color that I'm gonna go in with. I like to go in with lighter colors. So it looks just like that. Sometimes I'll go in with a really pretty glitter, especially if it's a night out and you just really want this eye to pop. That looks so pretty. Okay, let me stop talking because I keep messing. Make sure you don't talk and you don't, because every time that is not dry. I have not set it yet. So try to not lift this eye up because as you can see, I keep making a mistake and it keeps going up. So I keep having to come back and correct it. Okay, now I'm gonna take a little itty bitty brush. I think I got this from an Itsy bag eons ago. And I'm just going to go into my color. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go in between these two colors right here. I like my cut creases to be kind of shiny and sparkly. But again, you can totally do this matte too. And you're just gonna take that color and you are going to cover up that concealer. Okay, so this is a really great cut crease. I like to take it a step further and I go in with a pencil brush. This is the, it looks like it's an E30 from Sigma, and I will just go into that darker color. So this one right here, I'll just put that on the very tip of the brush. And I'm like trying to like, because now it's dry. Okay, I don't have to be super careful anymore. So I will just take it on the tip of the brush and I will just ever so slightly on that very edge right there, just go over to just redefine the sharp cut creaseness. Just very lightly. And you're gonna see what a difference that makes. So I'm just gonna go in with some more. Very lightly. And that's it. I'm going to do a little bit of extra blending right here on the outer corner to kind of blend these two colors together. Usually I will take a shimmery color that's in the same color family as this color or this color. So I don't have anything in here. What I'm gonna do is go in with this one right here. I'm gonna take that Real Techniques brush, pack some on the brush, and from there I'm just going to blend these two colors together, and it also is gonna add that color as well. That's why I try to stay in the same color family as either one or the other, because it gives you a nice seamless blend. And that's really all that I do. From this point, I will go ahead. I don't really ever add liner or anything. I will do lashes and then of course take this and brush it off. We'll do all of that together, but I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward this eye. I'm gonna do the same exact thing. So we still have concealer on our hand. I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I wipe this off so that I don't have any extra residue. To make sure it's wiped off really well. Take our Tarte Shape Tape, and since I am working on this eye, I want to start here and go to the middle or 3/4 of the way, so that way when I stamp it, it's going to go from here to here. Stamp, boom, perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna leave my eye looking down. I'm not gonna look up because if I do, I'm gonna mess it up. I'm gonna take this pointed concealer brush and I'm just going to start applying concealer onto my lid. And there is your second cut crease. So at this point, I just go ahead and apply some lashes. My lash glue that is my favorite is the Duo Quick Set Strip Lash Adhesive. You can go ahead and take this concealer off your hand, by the way. I need to get a new one because I can tell it's drying out. But whenever I do cut crease, I swear that is the best concealer. It's nice and thick, it's pigmented. I don't like it for underneath my eyes at all. But girl, it is perfection for cut crease. And if you want a dupe or something very similar to the Tarte Shape Tape, you can use the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer. This one is also very good, and that is a drugstore option if you don't want to do this, the Tarte Shape Tape. So guys, let me know if you would like for me to make this cut crease for beginners a series, because there are several other ways that you can do a cut crease. This is not the only way. So let me know if you guys want to see more ways, beginner friendly ways that are tricks like this that makes it super easy for you to do a cut crease. I'm just going to take a pencil brush. You can take the same pencil brush that you used earlier and kind of wipe that off, because honestly, I'm not going to do or go too crazy. I like the attention to be up on the top of the eye. So you can go, if you want, and use the darker color and the color that we used in the crease and the color that we used on our lid, and you can kind of do boop, boop, boop. That's really pretty. But I like to just go in with the first color that I used, which is right here. And I will just go underneath my lash line with just that one color. I don't like to, because again, I like to have the attention to the top. This is what's so amazing about makeup, is that you can customize it to how you prefer it. Okay, so because again, I want my attention to be mainly on my eyes, I am going to go in with a nude lip. If y'all know me, what else is new? So this is what I'm going to use. I'm going to use the NYX lip liner in Nude Suede Shoes. It's a really beautiful, perfect pinky nude. So I'm going to use this Kylie lipstick in Crème Brulee. This is a really pale pink. It's a very, very nude. I didn't think I was gonna like that, but I kind of like it. I kind of like it. I am also going to go over it with, this is freaking gorgeous. If y'all don't have this, seriously, go get it. It is so pretty. It's the Physicians Formula Diamond Plumper Mineral Wear Lip Plumper, and it's in the color Diamond Marquee, and it's a clear gloss, but it has this diamond-esque glitter in it, and it is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. As a matter of fact, y'all also, while you're on the website, whatever you're getting it from, either Ulta or Target or Walmart or wherever, no, not this one. This one's good, but this one is so beautiful, and it's going to look so beautiful with your more neutral eyes. But this one is the Brilliant Berry Diamond. It is so beautiful. I have a review on those, or I swatched those in something, so I'll try to find it and link it down below. It is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I don't know if y'all can see it. It is so pretty. And that is going to do it for this beginner friendly. Anyone can do this. I promise you, anyone can do this half cut crease. So I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new here. Again, don't let me forget to let me know. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below if you guys want to see me do more beginner friendly cut crease in with different techniques, because I have a lot, or I have maybe like a handful up my sleeve of different ways that you can create a cut crease. So let me know in the comments down below. I love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.